Tired of simply roasting veggies for weekday dinners? Why not add a few sheets of pasta, a creamy sauce, and some grated cheese to the mix so that you get all of the veg and all of the comfort in every bite? Thanks to Food Lovers Market, making a simply delicious veg lasagna is now simpler than ever. Want to join me in finding the best in fresh? Let's go! Just look at that, fully loaded with fresh veg and flavor. Perfect for any night of the week, or even every night of the week. We're more than a supermarket. We're a market for food lovers.